Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss a setting that prompts a message while saving a sale bill if the lot's expiry date falls within a specified number of days. To enable this feature, open the Logic folder and run Logic Admin. Open Global Settings, then go to the Sale Settings 3 tab. Locate the option labeled Prompt in Billing if lot expiry is below the days defined. Check this option, enter the desired number of days to set your threshold, and save the changes. After saving, restart the software. Now, let's create a sale bill. When making the entry, the software will prevent the bill from being saved and prompt the error message as shown in the video if any item's expiry date is within the defined number of days.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.